Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of photography, quite literally. We're talking about the best waterproof cameras in 2024 that are ready to capture all your aquatic escapades. Number 5, Insta360X3. The Insta360X3 is a cutting-edge waterproof camera that is ideal for adventurers and content creators looking for unrivaled adaptability in their film. The camera's outstanding waterproof certification allows users to dive into the depths without sacrificing image quality. The X3 has powerful picture stabilization technology, which ensures crystal clear shots even in difficult lighting conditions. The Insta360X3 is a great companion for travel, sports, and underwater exploration thanks to its compact form and user-friendly UI. The camera is capable of capturing immersive 360-degree video and photos, allowing users to remember their experiences from every perspective. The Insta360X3 also effortlessly interacts with mobile devices, enabling quick and easy content sharing. The Insta360X3 redefines what a waterproof camera can do for adrenaline seekers, travel enthusiasts, and content makers alike. Dive into the action with confidence because this small powerhouse is built to survive the elements and has an outstanding waterproof rating. Whether you're snorkeling in warm waters or catching the thrill of whitewater rafting, the X3 ensures that your film is clear and vibrant. The capacity to record live from every aspect is at the heart of the Insta360X3. The 360-degree lens expands your options, allowing you to recreate your experiences with a level of immersion that traditional cameras just cannot equal. Whether you're capturing your hiking adventures, filming extreme sports, or simply sharing moments with friends, the X3 produces dynamic and compelling content that goes beyond the limitations of typical videography. Underwater, you can use the Insta360X3 and explore depths of up to insert depth meters, opening up a new world of aquatic narrative. By capturing everything around you, you can break free from the constraints of standard cameras. The 360-degree lens on the X3 ensures that no moment is missed. Flow state, an advanced picture stabilization technology, ensures smooth, shake-free film even in the most difficult circumstances. Every frame is a work of art. Because of its sleek and portable design, the X3 can accompany you on any excursion. Slip it into your pocket or attach it to your gear. The options are unlimited. With the touchscreen interface, you can easily navigate between settings and capture modes. The user-friendly design allows you to concentrate on your trip rather than on difficult controls. Connect your smartphone to the Insta360X3 for rapid multimedia sharing, remote control, and live preview. Share your real-time experiences with the rest of the world. For a fresh perspective, capture immersive 360-degree videos and images. In any scenario, advanced stabilization technology delivers steady footage. Because of its portable design, the Insta360X3 can go wherever your activities take you. The user-friendly interface makes it simple to access settings and capture modes. Connect with your smartphone in seconds for immediate content sharing and remote control. Number 4, Olympus TUF TG6. The Olympus TUF TG6 is a high-quality waterproof camera known for its outstanding durability and sophisticated imaging capabilities. This durable small camera is waterproof up to 50 feet, 15 meters, shot-proof, crush-proof, freeze-proof, and dust-proof, making it suitable for a variety of outdoor activities. The TG6 has a 12-megapixel backlit CMOS sensor and a sophisticated TruePic VII image processor, which ensures clear and detailed photographs even in low-light situations. Its versatile 4x optical zoom lens, 25-100mm equivalent, provides for greater framing freedom, and its brilliant f/2.0 aperture is useful in low-light settings. The powerful macro shooting capabilities, which allow users to capture precise details as close as 1 centimeter from the subject, are one of the highlight features. To improve the quality of underwater photographs, the TG6 includes advanced underwater shooting modes, including as underwater microscope and underwater HDR. Furthermore, the camera supports 4K video recording, raw capture, and a number of shooting modes, including underwater settings to accommodate a wide range of shooting circumstances. Its built-in GPS and field sensor system collect position and ambient data, providing context to your images. The TG6's simple menu system and rugged construction make it popular among outdoor enthusiasts, whether snorkeling, trekking, or simply exploring in difficult conditions. The Olympus TUF TG6 stands out as a fantastic alternative for anyone looking for a reliable and high-performance waterproof camera because to its combination of robustness, image prowess, and specialized features. The Olympus TUF TG6 is further distinguished by its extensive collection of shooting settings designed specifically for adventure photography. Its underwater modes improve color and exposure settings below the surface, resulting in beautiful and lifelike underwater photographs. The underwater microscope mode in particular is outstanding, allowing users to magnify and capture microscopic subjects with remarkable clarity. The sophisticated image stabilization mechanism on the camera reduces the influence of camera shake, resulting in crisper images and smoother films. This trait is especially important in dynamic and unexpected circumstances where maintaining stability is difficult. Number 3. AKASO EK7000 4K. The AKASO EK7000 4K camera is well known for being a low-cost action camera with 4K video recording capabilities. One of its distinguishing qualities is its waterproof build, which makes it ideal for filming underwater experiences and activities. The camera's sturdy housing allows it to resist water depths of a particular level, making it perfect for snorkeling, diving, and other water-based sports. A wide-angle lens for recording vast views, built-in Wi-Fi for simple sharing and remote control via a mobile app, and numerous shooting modes for adaptability are some of the common characteristics connected with the AKASO EK7000 4K. Furthermore, it frequently comes with a variety of accessories, including as mounts and straps to improve its usability in various settings. Number 2. DJI Osmo Action 4. With the DJI Osmo Action 4, the peak of waterproof camera technology in 2024, you can capture your most adventurous moments. This action camera is built to endure the weather while delivering spectacular visuals, making it ideal for thrill seekers and outdoor enthusiasts. Key characteristics include dive confidently into the depths. The improved waterproof rating of the Osmo Action 4 allows you to explore underwater environments up to deep meters without the need for an external housing. Say goodbye to choppy video. This camera's advanced stabilization technology delivers smooth and steady video even in the most dynamic and difficult circumstances. With crystal-clear visuals, you may unleash your imagination. The Osmo Action 4 has a new sensor and lens combo that produces megapixel count clear and vivid photographs even in low-light circumstances. Control your camera with ease. The updated user interface makes it simple to navigate settings, allowing you to stay focused on the action without missing a beat. Never pass up a fantastic shot. The Osmo Action 4 has multiple screens, including a front-facing display, making it easy to compose precise selfies and vlogs. Capture more without having to worry about recharging. The Osmo Action 4's increased battery life guarantees that it keeps up with your excursions, lasting hours on a single charge. Enhance your storytelling by experimenting with temporal manipulation. The Osmo Action 4 features improved hyperlapse and time-lapse modes, allowing you to compress hours into seconds and shoot magnificent sunsets with incredible simplicity. Allow the camera to do the heavy lifting. The Osmo Action 4 includes artificial intelligence, which recognizes and optimizes settings according to your shooting situations, guaranteeing that every frame is precisely exposed and focused. Don't skimp on the audio. The Osmo Action 4 captures not only amazing pictures, but also the immersive sounds of your activities, thanks to enhanced wind noise reduction and high-quality audio recording. Make your shooting setup unique. The Osmo Action 4 is compatible with a variety of modular accessories, ranging from additional lenses to external microphones, allowing you to adjust your camera to a variety of shooting circumstances. Designed for harsh conditions, the camera's rugged structure withstands tough situations such as frigid temperatures and dirt paths, guaranteeing it can withstand the demands of your active lifestyle. Simplify the post-production process. The Osmo Action 4 includes AI-powered editing features that build highlight reels, add music, and enhance your footage automatically, saving you time and work in the editing room. Share the thrill in real time. Connect your Osmo Action 4 to popular streaming platforms to let your audience to follow along with you on your adventures as they happen. Number 5 concludes our top 5 best waterproof cameras in 2024 list. All product links are in the description, which is updated with the lowest prices. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.